Hey guys, this is Mara here, back again with another video. I'm going to do a video about the new Anastasia palette. Shout out to my sister for giving me an early birthday present on this palette. I just came out, like, I think in the beginning of March, I believe so, and y'all, and so I'm gonna show you guys the colors that come in this palette, and I'm gonna show you how I got this look. This is the first time I actually got to create like a look on this palette, so it was exciting to like try and mess around with these colors, especially this pink. Like this pink like called my name, so I never did like an eye look with such a bright pink color. I tried like another pink, like baby pink colors on my eyes and like mauve purples and stuff, but this pink does not look like, you know, not like your usual pinks. This is like a really hot pink, and that purple, and oof, don't get me started with the you know what, I'm gonna give you guys a swatch, some swatches on the colors I'm gonna use, because if I give a whole review, like a whole it has to be like a video dedicated to just a review of this palette in general and swatches in general. What I used on my lids, which is this like sea green mint colors called Seashells. Looks like that. I'm gonna swatch it on my hands so you guys can, there might be some leftover glue, so that's how that swatches. Look at that. That's a really bright pink. Look how bright that is. This purple, that's how it's swatched. Yeah, I need to stop talking and let you guys continue this video. Alright, starting off with that tape on my eyes, I'm going to use a fluffy brush just like so. Use the shade Coastal Line and just blend it onto like my crease. And then using the Essence Smoky Eye brush, I noticed that this brush is like really helpful with getting deep into the crease, like so, like trying to put that hot Bahama color pink onto that crease. And then using the shade Canis, is that like kind of like really purple, dark purple, onto the end of the crease. And like I noticed I should have packed it on a little bit more, but like later on in the video you kind of, cause I think you see that like I did later on. But if you wanted to, I wanted my pink to show more than my purple, so I focused more on the pink than I did on the purple. I go back with the Essence brush again and go over the pink because I wanted that pink to still show. Then using a flat brush, I go in with the shade Seashells and just pack that all over, just from my inner ducts to like the middle of my eyes. And then going back with like that purple brush, small blending brush I used, just blend it all in. Then voila, you take the tape out, and then you kind of still want to like smoothen out those lines, because you don't want it to look like your eyeshadow is just one whole line. I'm gonna just put on some chapstick, you know, keep my lips moisturized. Using a small little blending brushes, I'm just gonna put that color Bahama right under my bottom lash line. And then using a waterline eyeliner, I'm just gonna put that, it's like a purpley color, like an electric purple color. Just gonna put that under on my waterlines, and then put some lashes on, and then finish beating my face up like a fast motion. I wish it was like that quick to do my makeup. Alright, and that is it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and stay humble, guys. Thank you.